everyone, it's Owen and Alison here, and we're going to be showing you the brand new Designer's Choice die for November into December. And yeah, Alison's with me here, and we're going to show you some of the cards and the wonderful die that's on offer. It's a die directly from the Tonic Studio store. It's exclusive, it's available in the US and UK and around the world. So wherever you are, you'll be able to order this die set. And it's a die from the minds of our designers, and they're going to give a little bit of insight as well. You'll be able to find on the pages about what inspired them to make this die and some of the features upon them. So yeah, we're going to start with Alison, and we're going to show you what this die is all about. So what is the die this month?
The die this month is Damask strips. So this is how your die will come to you in the little poly pocket that you can pop in a ring binder. You've got 15 dies, and they are pattern dies, sentiment dies, butterflies and a corner. So you've got a real big variety here. So how do they look when they cut? So this is what you're going to get from your boards. So we have 3 sentiments. There's a layering die that fits behind them. We've got 2 different size butterflies. They will layer on top of each other if you so choose as well. And your sentiments are with love, for you and thank you. So we're looking at all occasions again, all generic occasions, and the beautiful corner die.
Yeah,
absolutely
really
stunning.
Intricate patterns on these. They'll all fit your big shot as well, these, and yeah, really intricate. Following on from the dragonfly, which was last month, yeah, you've got butterfly elements and really sort of bright spring-like elements as well for you to use. But as Alison said, you've got the sentiments in there, you've got the corners, you've got the panels, loads of different ways you can use these dies, these 15 dies.
So we talk about verso dies an awful lot, and I wanted to really explain to you this time what is a verso die. So a verso die means you've got an outer edge. This is what we'll get from the outer edges. Then when we add the pattern panel in the middle, then this is what we get in the panels. So you can either cut them out of your cardstock, which is what we've done here. We've cut the outer edge and then the panel into it. And then we move over, let me turn that upside down again, and you can cut them all into cardstock then. So we've used all the patterns here, but they're all in whatever shape card you decide to make. This could be a circular card, this could be a hexagon, it could be any shape at all. And then you can put the panels behind then to show a layer. So lots of versatility here, going from your different shapes, your different ways that you're going to build these patterns, and also the sentiments you're going to use with them.
And that's it. Yeah, they go, as you're going to see in some of the samples that we're going to show you now, they go, yeah, beyond cards, and you can do them as tags, all those kind of cool things that you can do with strips.
Lanterns.
As well, yeah, and lanterns, all those are wonderful intricate designs you're going to use in your way to create your designs. So, as you can see from all the cards that we've got here, there's loads of inspiration that's going to be out there at launch and available now for you. So there's videos from all your favourite crafters, from Vicky as well in Greece. You're going to see stuff from Jodie as well out there. You're going to see stuff from Christine, from Marie Nicole in the US, and loads more crafters out there for you, showing you how to make these cards that they've got in front of us now and inspiring you. All right, so they're going to be available on the website as well, and that's going to be support you're going to have every month with the Designer's Choice. We'll go through the cards now and just show you a few different ways that they've designed. There's so much to show you, but we'll show you a few different ways, and Alison will go through them now with you.
So BB's used some pattern building in the background, but also created an aperture with the butterfly. So another way of using it, fitting your sentiments in between the panels, making them a little bit different. Layering up your butterflies. Use your little sentiments that you've got in stamps or computer generated, either one. Use your butterflies to make your pattern in the background. Even to make, this looks like a new home to me, because it looks like a little house with your window box on the bottom. Fantastic idea there. And again, you can see they're fitting on all different sized cards as well. This is a little A2 card, but again, lots of pattern building.
And you can see here, like on this one, where you've layered a same colour butterfly behind, you create sort of depth, almost your own sort of embossed or debossed background. So yeah, really pretty.
So then we've made a bigger pattern, and added lots of colours on top. We've got the corners added on top here, the butterflies making a big statement. And then we've kept this one nice and simple. This could be a masculine card, cut into pattern papers and then layered up again. So they're fantastic for layering and pattern building, as I said.
That's it. You've got this set. It's compact in the way that you receive it, but it's expansive in the things that you can do. So there's loads there for you. We'll show you a few more now. So you've got one, and you can see you can use that sort of geometricness that you get with strips, but with that intricate design as well, and the butterflies as well.
Create apertures in your cards and hang your little butterfly on a little bit of fishing wire. Love that design.
Really, really pretty. And it's an example of a tag here, like again from BB, where you can use it as a central, sort of focal point. So it's using the little strip
Beautiful.
as well, and using the butterflies on top there to create some awesome designs.
Again, BB's created an aperture with the butterfly at the background, so you've got the colour popping through. And then she's coloured the butterfly in different colours and added on top. Beautiful.
There we go, and this example of the corners being used here.
So the corners, this is a 7x7 card, so we've used all different sizes here. Like I say, we've gone from the little A2 all the way up to a 7x7, and it would fit an 8x8 as well. So bringing in your pattern papers, layering up your butterflies, and adding your sentiments on top.
There you go. So that is a selection there of some of the cards that we've shown. Ali's shown a few more now as we go through. And yeah, there's so much inspiration out there for you for these. So from the day dot when you get these, and you can order them and they're dispatched on the day. So it's unlike the kit in which you pre-order it. These are available from the moment you order. The order goes through and we'll get it to you as soon as we can then. So these dies as well, they're available on the store then for the RP of $24.99, but everyone's eligible for a discount code which is on there if you use DIE5, so that can be spelled DIE 5 in letters or with a number at the end, and you get £5 or $5 off there, and that'll take it to $19.99, which means in the UK that'll mean free delivery in the UK, and in the US you're making a saving, and there's some excellent delivery prices on there for you. So that is designer's choice for this month, so November, December. As it were, we'll pass them over. You can have a little look.
This is Marie. She's done some stamping and added it to the corner as well. And a little bit of Nouveau here from Lou.
Really nice.
Beautiful.
So all those inspiration, we'll get the inspiration up so if you want to see them in more detail, but these people have made videos as well for you to see and enjoy and make along with them. So that's designer's choice for this month. We hope you'll enjoy it, and from me and Alison, see you soon.